I will now show you guys how to cut the fish. First, we're gonna do to take out the bones. This is how to take out the bones. There's a line. Just follow the line. Pick it up with this thing, and it will go slowly out, slowly but surely, guys. And I will see you guys later after I take all the bones out. Okay.
A few moments later.
See, guys, the line, that is the spine. Now, I'll take the spine by cutting a straight line. You know what I mean, guys? You feel me, guys? This goddamn game. This is how you properly hold the knife. The index finger is on top. The bottom, the big finger is on the side. So, I'll now put the tip of the knife right here and just slide it straight until the end. And the other side, this is the spine, so we should take off the spine. So as you can see, oh wait, let it finish. I'm a bit in a hurry. So this is the spine, but we could use still this thing. So we just take out this dark side. This is called the spine of the fish. Oh, first I will take off this spine of this one. How to do that is you will cut it like this, like 15 degrees, like this. How same angle, 15 degrees angle. Same hold of the knife, like this, move it a little bit, and slide it all the way through the end. As you can see, there's still a dark spot there. Slowly take it off.
Nakakapatay yung knife na yan.
Of course. This knife is very dangerous. This is so sharp, like a samurai sword. You feel me? So the other side, take it out, spine, slide it all the way through until the end.
Namalay na ako.
So this we will use for cooked salmon. So I'll put in one container that one. So we will use it tomorrow for cooked salmon. So we will now make the nigiri. This is how to measure a nigiri. So three finger like this, and slide it all the way through, straight line. Take it off for later, and I will use this part for maki. This is the measurement of one roll. We'll use this for mackerel. Put it there. As you can see, there's a not straight line right there. We will correct it by cutting a little bit, just to align it. Just to make sure that it looks good when we make it and easy. So guys, if you're new in my channel, don't forget to like. So I will show you guys how to make an nigiri. I arrange it like this, inclined position. So this is a knife, 40 degrees angle. too small actually. I will not use that. Nigiri. Okay, now this white one. This is the outer layer of the skin. So it is fat. So we will take it off. And we will measure again with the finger. Sushi roll. Okay. Alright. So cut this one. This is gonna be a nigiri. Nigiri. No, not nigiri. Makis. This is for makis. Sorry. So dito, move here. So as you can see,
Kakat mo pa to?
we will cut in the side like this, in the middle, and you must be slowly and sure and really straight, and you must move back and forth like this.
Nigiri. May ano ka na, fans ka na.
Gulatin ako nun.
Mas maganda daw pag matalas ang knife.
That is sharp. Super sharp.
Baka hindi nila pansin na mas matalas. Baka gusto niya mas matalas pa.
What's the point to sharp? And we will cut this one for a makis.
Pista ko sa mga Dutch na yan.
Makis. Ningelam sila eh. Saktang sila. So, next thing to do is we'll cut this thing. This is for puto 2-edge for cooked locks, cooked salmon. We put a layer of paper. Show here. So basically, I divided to nigiri and for makis and for inside out and for puto. So we will do now a second layer.
We need a paper roll.
So we cut this one again. So this is not level. Make it level a little bit. So the form of the sushi doesn't affect, because if you cut it in the form that it is not flat, the form of the sushi will be not pretty. So for making a pretty nice sushi, you must cut it the right way, right form, square.